Don't miss your chance to discover the secrets to create a prosperous and harmonious environment with our Vastu and Feng Shui techniques. This is a limited period offer on the workshop with multiple bonuses like ebooks, practical tips and guides. I am as Pooja, a healer, author, speaker and entrepreneur, and help 1,000+ clients prosper by simply improving their spaces. If you're someone who's looking to grow and prosper in all the fields of your life, I invite you to my workshop where you will learn the potential root cause hindering your growth and prosperity due to spaces. 10 secrets anyone can use to improve 75% energies of their homes and workspaces. What is Vastu and its importance to 10x health, abundance, relationship and emotion. 5 ways to balance positive and negative energies in your home and workspaces. Health issues due to imbalance in Ayurveda in your spaces and how do we balance that. Importance of Vastu in our life and much more. Click on the link below to register for my workshop if you want to transform your life with the right spaces and the right energy.